Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of IGL Coatings Myth or Facts. In this episode, we are going to test out several items that are mainly used by people on the internet to restore and protect their headlights from turning yellow. Today, we will know the truth, whether it's life hacks or hoax.
For this experiment, we'll be comparing these life hacks items along with the EcoShine F1 and EcoCoat Headlight. Which one is more effective? We're gonna find out. Here's why the headlights tend to turn yellow. What caused it? Acrylic headlights oxidize when exposed to UV light. Headlight lenses come with a clear top coat to help prevent this, but not for a long time. After the coating wears off, the UV light turns the hard plastic to yellow.
Now, for the moment of truth, guys. Are you ready?
The first item that we're going to use is baking soda. Can it take off the yellowish color on the headlights? We'll see. Maybe slightly different. Looks impressive, but also kinda messy. Scrubbing it too roughly could also damage the surface of the headlight. Next item, toothpaste. Rubbing toothpaste all over the headlight and brushing it off. Kinda risky. Seems like it's hard to remove the excessive toothpaste, and it took some time as well. As you can see, there's not much difference between the two sides. Let's move on to the next item, EcoShine F1. For this one, we're going to be using a polisher machine and apply it to the headlight. Let's see if it works. We're going to clean it with a microfiber towel. And actually, it does look way better than before. Now for the final step, we're gonna finish off with EcoCoat Headlight. Place a few drops of EcoCoat Headlight onto the application cloth. We will apply it lightly on the headlight surface. It looks super glossy now. The fading and hazing is seamless. Looks great. We can see the huge difference between these two. Toothpaste and baking soda might work, but only a bit and not for a long time, while EcoCoat Headlight will prevent the headlight from being damaged and becoming yellowish. Here's why. EcoCoat Headlight adheres to thermoplastic surfaces on a molecular level with superb protection against oxidation and loss of clarity for up to 12 months. Coated surfaces will gain a crystal-like clarity, improved micro-marring resistance, long-term clarity retention, outstanding weathering resistance, and an excellent finish quality ceramic coating system.
The truth has been spoken. We've seen it with our own eyes. EcoCoat Headlight is your go-to product that will not only increase the quality of your headlights, but most importantly, protects and extends the lifespan of your headlights. And that is it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see each other again on the next episode of Myth or Facts.
That's all from us. Like and follow our socials and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember to catch the next episode of Myth or Facts with IGL Coatings. See you next time!
Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, comment below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little notification bell, and we'll see you in the next video.